You may need a different pipette. This one's too big, I think. No, maybe it's okay. Okay. I'm not sure I like this, pushing this tubing into the other one. I guess it's okay. Just improve this. Okay, and then we'll clean this. You have the video of cleaning this, so you just put that before. So yeah, put some ethanol here, and then just take something. I'm using a part of a syringe. Okay, so looks pretty clean. You know, okay, so that looks clean now. Now we're going to put in some more ethanol. Okay. Now we're going to let it sit. Okay, so now we emptied the solution of the quaternary ammonia salts with the waste station empty method. Now we put in some water. And be careful not to put it so much that it runs into here. Now we run that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Waste station empty. The wash station first. We'll wipe. I have some ethanol. We'll wipe anything we can from the inside, from the waste station. A little bit of the quaternary ammonia salt solution in there. So wait until the water has been emptied by the empty wash station method. Then spray the wash station lid with some ethanol.